Morning, Doug.
So what are you doing here, Frank?
I don't know.
Hey?
I didn't expect to see you here.
No, well, I come on my own and I didn't tell anyone. I come in my car.
Yeah.
How'd you get here?
Walked.
Did you? Shit, that's a long way, isn't it?
It is.
So it's, we haven't been fishing for a while, have we?
We haven't. I've been on Kangaroo Island doing not much fishing. And you've been out fishing while I was away. How'd you go?
Crap, actually. Yeah, rubbish. To coin a phrase, so I'm hoping it's going to change today.
Yes, well, we've come up to Wongulla again and it is windy as hell, but hey, we'll deal with that.
Yeah.
And you're going to try a new system.
I am, Frank. I'm trying pellets today, a la Den, fishing with Den, and I come up here when you was away. I was glad to get rid of you. I come up here with Erwin. He caught 4 fish on pellets, and I wasn't fishing with pellets. I was fishing with corn and worms and bread and all that. Couldn't get a bite, so I'm trying them today.
It's a bit depressing, isn't it? I mean, we've been saying for a while now how hard the fishing's been locally. So
Yeah.
you made the effort to come all the way up here and got next to nothing.
Yeah,
Well, you got nothing.
I got nothing. I did. I got a bony brim.
Did you?
Yeah, that's that long. Got tangled in my line, but I bought it in, so never caught one before, so that was a PB. I suppose that was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah, I suppose. But does it count if you don't actually put a hook in it?
Yeah.
Well, you
Yeah,
were
'cause
claiming
I
it.
lie.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
a liar.
All right. Well, I'll go and get sorted out and get a line in the water, and I'll come back to talk to you about your pellets.
Okay, if my pellets work and what you're fishing with, you know, polo mints and that, if that don't work, I can give you a pellet rig.
That's very nice of you,
Okay.
Doug. Yeah, thank you.
Very cheap.
Yeah. Well, we'll see what happens.
My nose is running with the grin.
It certainly is breezy today. Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh,
Never
well.
mind. All right, I'll go
Okay,
back
all
to
the
my
best,
little
Frank.
hide. Yeah,
That's
you
it.
too, Doug. Right, let's get into it. Yes, to say it's a bit windy is an understatement. The forecast is for 20-25 k's an hour plus all day. Unfortunately, this was the only day this week that we could come. We are expecting a big rain, believe it when I see it, starting tomorrow afternoon and going right through the weekend. They're saying 20 to 40, and that's statewide, that's not just in Adelaide. Anyway, yeah, so Kangaroo Island was a bit of a disappointment, I have to say, fishing wise anyway, but yeah, locally it's diabolical. Everything's drying up, fish are dying. It's almost a complete repeat of last summer, and options are extremely limited. So we've come up here, we've done well here before. Hopefully we'll at least get a few fish. I'm going to fish a paternoster out that way. I'm going to fish a feeder out that way, and hopefully we'll get something. Paternoster with worms. Oh boy, that's windy. And feeder with worms on the other side here. Couple of black swans out there. We don't see those around that often. They generally prefer the shallower water. Not that this is deep, but yeah, unusual visitors. Then there were 4. Very, very hard to pick the bites, but I saw that one. This drag needs a bit of work. So that was on the feeder with worm. I mean, it's It's no big fish, but it's a fish. Thinks he's a trout. I'm on the board! One. Very hard to pick bites with this wind unless they actually really pull the rod tip down. You're going to be lucky to see it. Never mind, it's part of the challenge, isn't it? Right, just had another hit that did trigger the bite alarm. Worms again. Fish always fight hard in this shallow water. There's no size to this either, but it was a good hit. This is the best way to bring him up here, I think, as long as the hook doesn't pull out, of course. It's almost a twin to the other one. Maybe a smidgen bigger. Bit of a slow start, Doug.
For me, you're doing alright, you've got two. We've been here an hour.
Yeah.
But it starts like that, doesn't it? You go off like with a whiz bang, and then I catch up later. Being the more senior person.
Well, that'll be the first time you've ever admitted it.
Yeah.
Oh well, but you're using pellet and I'm using worm.
Pellet on one and corn on the other.
Oh yeah, right.
And you've got both yours on worm, so
well,
guess what I'm going on to?
Yeah, well the two fish I've caught have been on worm on the feeder, and the other line, which is a double hook paternoster, has got worm tipped with corn, and I've had one little nibble on that, but it's very hard to pick the bites.
Yeah. That took it and then just sat on it.
Right, so what's that one?
It's saying it's a bigger fish.
Is that the pellet?
No, unfortunately.
Okay.
It's saying it's the bigger fish, that's what they do.
Yeah. So that's on corn?
Yeah.
Right.
Right. So, it's either that or not.
Oh, I think it looks fairly solid.
Yeah, I'm going to have to go in for it.
You're going to have to go in.
I don't want to do this.
Don't you?
It's bloody freezing.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Go, Rambo. Here, I'll throw you shoes. You know where the reef is, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Well, we were just saying that it was a slow start, and Doug picked his rod up to put worms on, and there was a fish sitting on it. Oh, well, it's better than my two.
FOD, Frank.
Yeah. FO something.
Yeah. That means F off Doug.
Yeah, could do. If he loses this, there's going to be hell to pay. No, it's a good size. It's a good size. He's got it. He's looking a bit happier now.
Glad I bought a big net.
Yeah, that's a good size.
That's a good size fish.
Yes.
I'm going to call that a 9.
9 pound, you reckon? Okay. Well done, Doug.
Happy with that.
Yeah, I'll bet you are.
After the last few weeks.
Well, Doug's a happy chappy now. He's been saying how pleased he is he's finally got a fish, because he actually had a couple of fishless trips, which is not like him. Doug's got number 2. Oh no, well, it's just a fish.
Tiddler.
Number 2.
Smallest fish of the day.
Never
Oh,
mind.
that other one, Frank, was only 9.5. I adjusted it for my net.
Okay.
I weighed the net properly. I don't want to lie.
No, how honest of you.
I am. God bless me.
Yeah, well, I hope he does, because no one else will.
No, that's right.
Very, very hard to feel the bites. We've had nothing for, not a touch for half an hour, so I'm going to try the big cast. So what's this, Doug? The old have a sandwich, get a bite trick?
Actually, Frank, it's have a bit of Christmas cake and get a bite.
Oh, okay, a bit out of season.
Yeah. It's nice Christmas cake. Do you want to see it?
No, thanks. Yeah.
Yes, didn't work though.
No, not yet.
No.
Could.
Yeah.
It's definitely slow.
It's
Very
slow,
slow.
but for me, it's been a revelation. After my last few trips, yeah,
Yeah.
I really would I'd like one on the pellets, but I can't get by on the pellets.
No.
But worm's been the thing today, isn't it? Which surprised me.
Well, 3 out of 4 on worms.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just commenting on how clear the water is.
It is.
Never seen it this clear here.
Yeah.
That's probably not helping.
No, maybe not. Yeah. We'll get another fish, Frank.
I hope so.
Yeah. You know you're a bit doom and gloom, don't you?
I call it realistic, but go on.
I predict,
Yeah.
right, it's 11 o'clock, we'll get 2 more fish between us.
Okay.
Okay?
As long as we get one each and you don't get them both.
Yeah, or you don't get them both.
Well,
I'm happy though, I'm happy. If I go away now, with what I caught this morning, I'm happy.
Well, yeah, that first fish you got was a very nice one.
It was, yeah.
Even the pelicans over there are taking it easy. They're not trying too hard, are they?
Yeah. It's the first one of them 2 fish I told you about.
Yeah, I said you're not allowed to catch both of them.
I'm not showing you that one.
I'm going to come and look.
It's a roach.
No, it's not even a roach.
Go.
Well, Doug said 2 more.
Yeah.
And I said you're not allowed to get both of them.
You did say that, did you?
I did.
Oh, I'm not allowed to.
No, I said you're not allowed to. So what have you done? You've gone and done it.
I've defied you.
That's a roach. Well, that wasn't the most spectacular result, was it, Doug?
No, a bit slow.
bit slow. I got 2 fish early and that was it. A couple of little tiny nibbles after that. But you got a nice fish.
Yeah, I was happy with that. I was so pleased with that after the last few weeks.
Yeah.
And, yeah, and the rest of it was all small stuff.
Yeah.
But I think the water's too clear.
Mm.
They're just, I think they're right over there and they're not coming in the shallow water.
No, I think you're right, and they're too open, they're too exposed.
Yeah.
And that's maybe why we got fish early and then not much till later on. Anyway, a bit underwhelming. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.
Bye, Doug.
Bye, Doug.